So, UNISA students, I do believe that someone's problem is also your problem. Like in the future, you might need this help. Okay? So, first year students, I see that most of you guys are struggling with your tutorial letters and something like this. I'm gonna try to explain this thing. So, guys, as you can see here, they have written semester 1 and 2. So when they say semester 1 and 2, it does not mean that this module you are going to do it on first semester and second semester. It simply means that you can start this module in one of these semesters. Let's say that you start this module on first semester. So which means that once you are done with it on June, you don't have to re-register it, or you do not have to think you're also going to be doing it on second semester. Once you get final results based on a module, it simply means that you are done with that module until you graduate. And then the other thing then is also about this thing. If you see your modules appearing straight on my UNISA under my admin again, if let's say that you have completed that module, you already have the results, and that module still appears there, do not focus on it. Focus on other things, guys. Focus on, like, we are moving forth. If you complete a module, there's no way that you're going to do it again, unless if maybe a certain module in the future comes and then the content is the same. I can give you an example about law. In law, diploma in law, we have FBE, we have SW, we have LSB, we have labor law. All those things, see, when you go straight to become law, or when you go to LLB, they are under one thing. It's going to be MRL something there, which is going to be labor law. So you can see a mix of modules can result in a certain module. That MRL is a combination of LSB, FBE, and LLW. All those things, if you are doing that module, you are going to understand. Even MRL 2601, which is entrepreneur law, is FBE mixed with LLW, collective law and labor law. So you don't repeat a module. There's no that thing of you'll be doing physical science from grade 1 to grade 1 and grade 1. So once you are done with the module, another module is going to come with a different scenarios and content. So please do not worry about those things not being moved and stuff like that. We're not just focus on going forth.